Hey guys, welcome back to Joe's RC Corner, and again we're back out at the hangar and we're going to be working on the Cricket as usual, so stay tuned guys, and I'll show you what we're going to get done today on the 4th of July. All right guys, like I said, we're going to be working on the Cricket today as usual, and we're back out here working on it, and I'm really happy to be out here working on the plane again. So, appreciate everybody's comments on the last video. All right guys, and really quick, just wanted to let you guys know, I will be going out to Oshkosh 2022. The Cricket's not going to be there, unfortunately. She's not ready yet to fly, but we are working on it so that next year we will definitely have her out there. But I did want to let you guys know that I am going out there. I will see you guys. Just keep an eye out for us. We'll probably be hanging out a lot at the Viking and Zenith areas. Anyways, just wanted to catch up with you guys on that and let you guys know. So if you guys want to go ahead and put some faces to names, be happy to meet you guys and say hi. And today on the Cricket is we're going to be working on installing the pilot side static port. So that way that's all set, and then we can just start doing the plumbing. Don't really want to get up inside the airplane to do the full plumbing right now because it is hot out. I will show you what my hangar temperature is right now. So right now, that's the temperature inside my hangar. So it's hot, guys. It's really hot. But we want to get some work done on the plane, so we're going to start, just go ahead and drill that hole, get the static port mounted on the pilot side, and then go from there. So stay tuned guys, and I'll show you where we are. All right guys, so welcome back. The time lapse is probably pretty quick and not much to see, but went ahead and got this mounted in place. It's on the exact same location as it is on the other side. I did also put in the 90-degree elbows for this, and there is going to be a T in there that's going to connect this side and that side together, and then there's going to be one line going back to the front. And I haven't fully decided on exactly where that's going yet, whether it's going to go along the side here and up towards the front. Most likely that is the case, but I am debating whether or not I want to run them up in here in any way to get them in another location. So we'll be taking a look at that, trying to figure that location out, and getting them up to the front so that I can finish connecting the static ports to the altimeters of the EIS and the EFIS system. So that way I'll have the full static system going to both of those, one as a backup. And then I also have my bomb as another backup, so I have plenty of backup ports for static on this aircraft. So I'm pretty happy with that. The reason why I have a static port on both sides of the aircraft, that's going to equal out. So if I'm doing let's say I'm doing a slip to landing, the other side will have the static that's blocked by the aircraft, and this side will be getting rammed. But it should equal out in the long run on that, so that's why you put them on both sides. It also just gives you another static port for for outside air pressure in case, let's say this one gets clogged somehow, that one will still give me a reading, and that should work out just fine. So anyways guys, so that's that, got that installed. I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see about the next steps, connecting my static ports, getting that run up to the front of the airplane, and seeing how that all works out. So that's the next step guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to end the video here today. We didn't do a whole lot. It's just way too hot out here. Can't wait till the fall. But we're going to try to keep working. Might even try to see if I can start coming out here in the evenings, maybe after work, come out here, do some work after dinner, and then go back home, go to bed, go back to work, and then so on and so on. But just to try to keep you guys updated on what we got. So like I mentioned in the beginning, or the other part of the video there, we went ahead and we completed both static ports here. So both of these are now completed. As you can see over here, this was the last one I need to do, and I do have them plumbed at least until up to the T. The T is going to then feed a line up to the front, and hopefully it should be somewhere up underneath the panel here when we get to that stage. Yeah, we're moving that along. Yeah, so that's done there. And I do have the my fuel is all working. I have about 33 gallons in there right now, ready to go for when Dave makes his trip to Oshkosh and stops by. We'll give him some fuel. I do have the filter in here, of course, so that blocks out any if there's any contaminants or anything, that'll collect that. It is a water filter as well, but finished hooking up my charger for the batteries to run this. So as you can see, same charging setup as my plane does. That'll keep it tendered and good to go. Keep that closed. Do have a vented cap. So if it does reach too high a pressure for this cap will vent it. So that's good. Over here on the aircraft, I don't have the charger plugged in right now. I'm gonna let it give a little cycle here. I do have a little bit of a mess. I gotta clean up some stuff on the floor there before I leave, but once that's done, we're gonna get out because it is hot and I am dying out here. All right, guys, so like I said, this is the end of the video. I will be out at Oshkosh at the end of July, so make sure you stop by and say hi. I'm either gonna be at the Zenith booth or the Viking engine booth, hanging out with those guys, which is both. This airplane is a Zenith, and I have a Viking engine, so might as well hang out with the crew and help answer any questions along the way of the build. And I do have some patches I'm going to be handing out while I'm out there. I ordered about 200 of these. Happy to share some of them out with you guys. First come, first serve. Once they're gone, they're gone. So make sure that you guys stop by, and I'll get you one. So looking at the boards here, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see them. Let's turn the camera a little bit here. So on the board here, guys, we were able to check off a few more items. All right, so let's see here. What do we have? We have, oh, that wasn't even on the list. How about that? All right, so we do have the static port. Those are mounted. Good to go. That's out. All right, so we got static ports. Just need to finish the plumbing from the static ports in the back of the plane up to the front, so we'll get that soon. We did mount that bomb, so that's done. That's on the right wing. That's my backup system. Let's see, pitot wiring is all done. The plugs are done, but I did notice something I forgot to put on those plugs. I still got to wire up my, for the plugs coming out of the wing, we need to finish wiring up the fuel senders. So I do have enough pins on my connectors, so that's not a problem. We'll be fine there. I just need to get in underneath the wings and get that done. So that'll be one of the stages coming up here soon. But other than that, guys, one thing at a time, we're moving it along. It's gonna take a little bit of time here, guys, but we're gonna get her done and we're gonna get her in the air. So just stick with me, guys. I'll try to get back on schedule now that I'm back from work travel. And we will be posting a video throughout the week of Oshkosh. So at least I'm going to try to. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the bell, guys, so that way you get notified of the next one. Share this video with people that you might think might enjoy this type of content. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye now.